Hi everyone, today I've got a really quick video on how to show you adjusting the cam on the Versa 1-star half Euros. Okay, half Euros you might need an adjustable cam for key switches, shutter doors, padlocks or maybe van locks. That's where they're most commonly used, but the cam, when you receive the 1-star, will be situated in 180 degrees. Okay, but you can adjust the cam to be fitted every 15-degree increments all the way around 360 degrees. So as you can see now, we've zoomed in, there's a tiny button within the cam. You might want to use a screwdriver on site or a pen, and you just apply a tiny bit of pressure and click it round to whichever angle you require for whichever lock you're using. So you can do that the whole way around to fit wherever you need. They all come with 5 keys and a retaining screw.